Good morning, ma'am. I'm Jane Dena Prasego Fortrias. So now I'm going to report the studies of kinematics and the laws of motion. Paint a picture of marine animals' movement. Kinematics, the branch of classical mechanics concerned with the motion of objects. Without considering the forces that cause the motion is integral to understanding how marine animals move. Coupled with Newton's laws of motion, kinematics help us explain the complex dynamics of movement in marine animals must adapt to the resistance and fluidity of water. By analyzing marine animal locomotion through these lenses, we can better appreciate how forces interact with biology to shape aquatic mobility, efficiency, and survival. Marine animals navigate a unique and complex environment where movement is dictated not just by their biology but also by the physical principles governing the fluid medium in which live. Water. Kinematics, the study of motion without regard to the forces that cause it paired with Newton's. Laws of motion offers insight into how to creatures move efficiently in their watery habitat. From the smooth globe of a dolphin to the undulating propulsion of an octopus, these principles explain how marine animals adapt to the challenges of water resistant buoyancy and fluid dynamics. Kinematics is a fundamental to describing the movement of marine animals. It allows us to quality their displacement, velocity, and acceleration as they swim. Velocity is the speed of an animal in a specific direction, while acceleration is a change in velocity over time. These factors are critical for marine animals, especially predator of those reading to escape predation. Marine animals live a world where water, a dense fluid, influences their every movement in constant to terrestrial animals which move through marine animals must deal with water resistance and pressure. Kinematics provides the framework to describe the movement of these animals such as speed, acceleration, and displacement, while Newton's laws of motion give us insight into the underlying causes of this movement. Kinematics and Newton's laws of motion provide a robust framework for understanding how marine animals move through their aquatic environment, from the graceful gliding of manta rays to the rapid acceleration, force and action reaction govern, govern, govern every aspects of marine locomotion. The interplay between the physical laws and the biological adaptations mm, of marine animals creates a fascinating picture of motion is the sea, one that highlights that complexity and beauty of life beneath the waves. Thank you, ma'am.